You guys.
Here, little kittens.
Some of these bunnies are really hot. Like that one that's being really hot.
They're all really hot. This bunny over here is panting like mad.
That one seems hot.
This bunny's eating. It's good food, bunny.
You want to see the other babies? You want to hold one of the babies? Just gotta look careful because I saw one of the little babies run by. I think it's behind this one in the corner. I think it ran by behind it. It's just a tiny, tiny. Oh my goodness! Really? That was impressive.
I don't know if you should be in here, buddy.
I don't.
Let's make sure that we take them out when.
Yeah, we'll take them out. I think there's a baby bunny behind that one. I can't believe how cute these ears are.
I don't see one.
No, I saw it run by. Scurried by really careful. You're about to have a kitten on your back. Be careful.
See like you.
That kitten is just like, I'm gonna hang out in here. Kitten. Kitten. No. Kitten's going inside the bunny enclosure.
Can you open that? Nobody. No.
Oh my goodness. Okay, get out of the bed.
Yeah.
Oh, she's so funny. Oh, just look at these tiny bunnies.
Look at the little bunny fluff.
Look at those tiny bunnies. I just can't even. Oh my gosh, they're so cute.
Hey!
That one's a little more moving.
Hey, buddy.
Moving little bunny.
Hey.
Oh, they're so cute.
Who's Mama Bunny?
Maybe one of these big white ones?
I think so.
Oh my gosh. Hey, you guys.
Good little mustache.
You make it really hard to take a picture of you. You're moving so much.
Take a video. That's what I'm doing.
I should have, but I don't know what room I forgot to clear my phone. Oh, cute. These kittens are good. Oh, Nico.
I'm not food, hon. You can't nuzzle me. She's trying to nurse off my finger. Like, I'm not food. Can you open this again so I can put her back? Mm-hmm. Her, him, it. I don't know what it is. Oh, look at that little tail. Little bunny tail.
Here you go. Nuzzle it back in with its brothers and sisters. My goodness, they're so cute.
The little gray one, I think, has a hurt leg.
The little one you were holding?
Yeah.
Where'd it go?
He crawled in here. He's in the second slot here. You saw when the little ones run out?
What?
You saw when the little ones out?
When we first walked in here, I saw a little tiny thing. Dart. It could have been a mouse, now that I think about it.
Could have been.
There's no reason it was a bunny. It just darted that direction.
I wouldn't be surprised if it went down this way somewhere.
It hasn't moved. Look at it. Oh, you're just too cute. Look at how small that face is. You've got the smallest kitty face in the whole wide world. The smallest. Oh, it just licked me. Oh my god. Heart melt. Heart melt.
The kittens could totally get out if they wanted to. They could squeeze through that. They got like a big bar
I don't know
thing.
if they'd be able to crawl up. Well, they could crawl along.
Yeah, they could totally go along there.
Well, hopefully they don't.
Not yet, anyways.
Look at it's laying in the straw.
It's hunting the bunny.
I don't think so.
It's a bun hunter.
I don't think it's hunting. I think it's laying. Yeah.
So soft. So soft. It's like, yeah, I've been touched. Oh, kitty kisses.
You're too cute. You're too cute. Oh. Is it my sunblock? You shouldn't be looking at my sunblock. It's probably because I'm salty because I'm sweaty. I'm like super hot right now. You grabbing the other kitty?
I am. I'll take them out of here.
You run a bunny
Hey, kitty, kitty. Other side, buddy. I'm over here. Yeah, let's go. Let's go, little Kit Kat. Let's go.
Short ass legs. The kitty's so cute. He's just grabbing and he's got his legs dangling. You're the only thing this farm is missing is ducks.
We could donate some.
No, I love my ducks.
Kitty, get us some wet food.
I absolutely had to get rid of my ducks, and that would be absolutely. Hi.
Hey, fluffy-headed chickens. Fluffy-headed chickens make the world go round. Hey, panty little chicks.
Oh.
Hey, you got an egg in there. Is that a real one? I think it's a real egg. Oh, I think it's a real egg. Oh,
What?
They're fancy silky chickens.
Yeah, they're really cool.
They've got the boots.
They're the ones with the bell bottoms.
Chicken's got the bell bottoms on. They look so they look so fluffy and so ragged.
Yeah?
What are you doing, chicken? You guys have weird ears. These little ones here, they have weird they might have ears, they might be goblets or whatever. And they think it's a meow. Alright, let's go ahead and shut this off here.
Okay.